I gotta figure out, I wanna roll in on something. Okay, I got an idea. Okay, you're gonna stand somewhere over here, and I'm gonna fly in on the golf cart in my 10 feet distance I have here. And I'm gonna hit the brakes, lock them up, and be like, welcome to Huntilar Built. Welcome to Huntilar Built. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This video is just an overview to bring you back from the 2-year break that I took. My end goal with this channel is to connect with people like me that just build stuff in their garage over the weekends. Not the best tools, not a multi-million-dollar facility, just people tinkering in their garage just to get their car running back on the road. Maybe something that your grandfather handed down to you, stuff like that. Now I do obviously like modern touches to my builds. So this video is to bring us back, show what I did the past 2 years since I took a break, and maybe show a little bit more of the shop and stuff like that. Over here we have my 1967 Shelby GT500. I did a new motor in that, a couple little odds and ends things. In the next couple videos I'll do a full overview of the car, show what I'm doing, get a little more into detail. Over here we have my fiance's 97 F350 7.3. I did coil swap and a full paint job done by Gordon, and we'll go over a whole overview of that truck in the near future as well. Eventually we will get into my mom's 70 F100 build. That's a full restoration. As you can see, it's painted on the chassis. I have a motor that I need to build for that yet, stuff like that, and that'll be in future videos what you can look forward to. So for the rest of the video, I want to show what I'm gonna plan on doing with the future videos and stuff with this channel. I'm gonna attempt to mount these new mirrors on and get rid of these old ones that I can't see anything out of. I just got a golf cart for it to put on the back, and going on the road I can't see anything because obviously the rear view mirror is being blocked by the golf cart. So we're gonna get into mounting these things and see how it goes. So from holding these mirrors up here, you can see that I need about 2 inches in here, which I think, as of now, I'm going to shorten this up about 2 inches. Maybe not quite 2 inches. I want to make sure I can still obviously open and close the wing window. All I'm going to do, if I do shorten this 2 inches, I'm going to re-clamp this and squish it down so it looks like this factory here. And then re-drill the holes out here, and then I'll put nut inserts here and just drill holes through here, stick bolts through. So from in here, that looks pretty good. Obviously my head's back here when I'm sitting. So you can see that corner of the bed there. And are you pulled away from the corner at the bottom there? So that looks good in here. I'll go out and just check what it looks like. So out here, I think I like that look a little better than the little rinky-dink mirror. So let me just take that marker. Alright, let me take the marker. Mark that top hole and just keep holding it there. So when you're holding a Sharpie next to a white beagle, make sure that when the Sharpie falls, it doesn't hit the white paint. This is wax and grease remover, and obviously this is not working. There's a line here, because I went like this and smudged it, and now the line's in there permanently. So, alright, not sure if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try some acetone. Might eat the paint off, I don't know. It'll be a learning experience. Hey, it worked. Whoops.
ADHD at its finest. Hunter, what were you just doing?
I don't know. I don't know why I'm over here. We're missing one. Okay. For the bottom of the mirror, I'm gonna use these nut inserts here. If some of you aren't familiar, these are like it reminds me of like a pop rivet. When I put this in here and put it through the hole and crimp it, it holds this nut insert in, and it's obviously threaded then. And I can just run this bolt right in. When I take things apart, I like to lay them in the order they came apart in, because my memory's terrible. So. There's a flat spot on this, and I'm gonna try and recreate it the best I can with the tools I have. This might not work at all. As you can see, I got the mirrors on here. I gotta get different hardware, and I'd like to put some rubber behind. But for the most part, they work great. We just took it for a cruise. These mirrors, if anyone wonders, they're off of a bump side Ford, like 70s-ish. I didn't like the factory 48 ones, so I figured this was my next best option.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. In the next few videos, we are going to be doing some overview videos of many vehicles we have. The car, the trucks. Let us know what you guys want to watch. We'll post it, we'll have fun. Thanks again, like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Here at Huntilar, we do not like oil leaks, as every single one of our vehicles have oil leaks.
There's a hole in the oil pan. Did you start?
Yes.
Ready? So actually on these holes, I'm actually going to